starting to remove the generator. Next, I remove the induction sensor, or, as people call it, a hall sensor. Next, I need to rip off the nut. For this I will need a 14mm socket and a 19mm open-end wrench. I forcefully rip off the generator bell nut. Now I need to rip off the generator bell itself. There is a double attachment for this. This is a special nozzle with double thread. One part is screwed onto the bell thread. Use a 19 key to hold one part of the nozzle. Using the second key we tear off the bell. Using an 8-point socket, unscrew the starter bolts. Now we install the new generator correctly and get into the connectors. We install the induction sensor. The wires must be routed correctly. Now we install the bell along the recess. You see there is a special connector here. Now we start the scooter engine and see how the lighting devices work. The side lights are on. The low and high beam switch works. The engine itself runs smoothly without interruption. Thank you all for your attention. Like and subscribe to the channel.